and also saying that the truth about Congress's emergency rule can't be hidden from the country. Listen in.
आने वाली इमरजेंसी मूवी को लेकर के कांग्रेस द्वारा हिमाचल की मेंबर पार्लियामेंट कंगना रनौत को गिरफ्तार करने की मांग की जा रही है। इससे पहले भी बहुत सी फिल्में बनती रही हैं, लेकिन अभी फिल्म आई नहीं, उसमें क्या है देखा नहीं। यही इनकी इमरजेंसी में अप्रोच थी, वही माइंडसेट था। ये आज भी चाहते हैं कि जो इनका सच है वो सामने ना आए।
Congress is scared of emergency movie because they know a lot of skeletons will fall from the cupboard, lot of truths will come out, and they will have a lot of answers to give to the public. That's why they're opposing the movie. If they have anything in the anything which is they feel is not right in the movie, they can obviously do it after watching the movie. Without watching the movie, they are trying to stop the movie, which clearly shows that they don't want people to know the truth of the emergency. The emergency was a black spot in Indian democracy. They killed the democracy. All the opposition was in jail. Everyone's sent behind bar. And if that is exposed, they will not allow that to become in public domain. That's why they are opposing this.
The free speech lobby only comes. It only comes when the secularism come in threat. When something constitutional happens in this country, then the free speech lobby comes out. Otherwise, the free speech lobby enjoy their Saturday and Sunday with a good piece of food and a good piece of drink. This is what is free speech lobby in India is.
Rishabh is back with us. Yes, Rishabh.
So, well, definitely the politics around Kangana Ranaut and her movie, the emergency is raging every passing day. Now, the Congress chief in Punjab, Raja Waring, Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, has very categorically said that Kangana should be arrested, not only for what the movie would be about, but also for her statements on farmer protests. Remember, there was a controversial statement that came in from Kangana. BJP took a step back, saying that Kangana is neither authorized nor, allowed to make comments on behalf of party on party policies, and that's when Kangana was also summoned by the chief of BJP, JP Nadda, and was reprimanded for her statements. Now, be it Shri Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee in Punjab or the Congress party, both are now mounting pressure on the state government that there should be an FIR against Kangana Ranaut, and the way she's spreading hate to publicize his movie, quote unquote, as per them, is something that should not be allowed. Apart from that, if we talk about this whole movie, Kangana says that this is an attack on free speech and creative liberty, and Congress is fearful of Congress is fearful that this movie will bring out the black days and the stories from the black days of emergency. So the war of word between both the sides continue as the release date of emergency is approaching. 6th of September is when the movie is expected to release. Remember, this happened just ahead of Haryana polls, and the Congress do understand that the statement coming in from Kangana will definitely help their prospects in Haryana elections. And given that there are, if we go by the Lok Sabha election results, there are 4 constituencies of Ambala, Kurukshetra and others where the Sikh population has about 20 to 25% of vote, and that is something that can help Congress gain a majority in Haryana elections, is what Congress believe, and that's the reason that Congress doesn't want to let go of Kangana's remark easily. While BJP has definitely distanced itself from Kangana's remark, but the dent has been made and ammunition has been given to opposition party, be it Aam Aadmi Party or Congress in Haryana. They are attacking Kangana, and via Kangana, the BJP, while in Punjab, be it Raja Waring Singh or the Shri Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, they are mounting pressure on Bhagwant Mann government to file an FIR. In a way, the whole politics right now is around Kangana and her statements ahead of the release of her film.